Good morning, students. Last period we were learned about the introduction of this topic. Today we are going to learn about this. Actually, what is the topic? You understand na? How many characters in this topic? Main character is Asha Gabi, is known as her father. First, I will read this para and I give you explanation. Her father's words still ringing in the ears of the Lontis, and she tell her mother of what her father has told her. That means last period. We were learns about how these Lontis participate in participated in this program, and what is the subject of this program. The man created God created man and woman are equal, and her father words are still ringing in ears of the Lontis. That means Lontis father give the answer of this question is very nice answer, and this tell her mother what her father has told her, and the Lonti told her all story to her mother. Appreciative of her husband for his view, Ashagabi says your father is right. Is no society to do women enjoy the same opportunity enjoying by the men. It is because of your father that I feel no difference or inequality at home, but outside our home I have seen that women have an subjugated in many ways. It is against the will of God. God has sent men and women to our earth to share the joy and sorrows of the life equally, to share His blessings and to enjoy the bounty of the nature equally. This is what your topic means. That means at that time the Lord Jesus tell about her um, father's opinions, and at that time I appreciate her husband for his view. Ashagabi says that means at that time Ashagabi give the answer your father is right. That means your father is right. Your father told you this is the um, your father is right. In no society are the women enjoying some same opportunity enjoying by the men. That means in our society, man and women, our society not given any opportunity to any women's, and this is the reality of our society. It is because of your father that feel no difference our inequality at home. That means your father um, not feel inequality between uh, women and men. But outside our homes, that means in our outside of home, I have seen the women have been subjugated in many ways. Subjugated means control and dominating, or that means our countries many women subjugated, that means they controlling and dominated over the many ways. That means in our culture, women's given a second rank or second positions, and first position given by the men. It is against the will of God. God has been sent men and women to our earth to share the joy and sorrow of life equally. That means God created men and women equal, and they gave same to the sorrow and happiness to men and women equally. But some people are not believe that to share his blessing and enjoy the boundaries of nature equally. This is what your topic means, and this is the what your topic means. Next para, Ashagab is known well that men and women are equal. Women who are half of the women race are as important as men. She writes and talks about the such topic. Her uh, daughters, though a child, also understanding well that her mother is not a person of lesser quality than her father. She say, "Our home is full of love with you, mother." That means Asha will be known well that the men and women are equal. Asha will be known that the equality between the man and women's women who are half of the women race are important as a men. That means every race, men and women, are equal. She write and talk about such topic, and she easily write and talk about this topic easily. Her daughter, though a child, also understand the well that her mother is not a person of lesser quality than her father. That means her mother is also equal to her father, and this Lonti easily understanding of this point, or this word meaning. Then her father, she say, our home is full of love with you, mother, and our in our home the men and women are equal, and our homes filled with the love. Next para, the mother beams the joy at the word of her daughter. As a matter of the mother beam with joy at the word of her daughter. As a matter of fact, mother is fountain, a love of the family. This bond of the love is Ashaga be well known. That means the mother beam the joy. The mother beam with joy at the word of her daughter. As a matter of fact, mother is the fountain of love of family. This bond of the love is beyond comparison with anything else in the world. It is because of that the motherhood had been the glorified, and women aspect the challenging in life become a mother. That means in the mother being with the joy at the world of her daughter. That means as a matter of the fact, mother is a fountain of love in the family. That means mother is a love of the mother is the love fountain, love of the all family. This bond of the love is beyond comparison with anything else in the world. That means this love comparison with anything else world, it is because that the motherhood has been glorified means praised, and women aspect challenge in the life become a mother. That means this is the accepting challenge in the life to become a mother. This showing deep affection. Ashagabi continues pioneers. Women testify to the equality of women with men. Actually, life is not possible without both women and men. Means showing deep affection. That means Ashagabi showing the deep affection, and Ashagabi's continue pioneer. Pioneers means the person who is among the first to take up the cause, especially in the new region. That means pioneer means उद्गाता. म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट त्यानं पहिल्यांदा काय केली जाते ते निर्माण किंवा शोध लावला जातो. Women's testified means provide proof, evidence, proof or evidence. Testify means women's with the men. Actually, life is not possible without both men and pioneer and testified the equality of women with men. Actually, life is not possible without both women and men. That means life is not possible without anyone. That means anyone, man and woman. That means life is do not possible with man and woman. Lonthi has been fascinated by the stories of the pioneer women. Her grandmother had narrated many stories of the brave queens like Linthogobis and the Kurangainis, who were the brave as the kings. There were also many brave women among the common people. That means the Lonthi's grandmother told her the many advantageous story about the brave queen. These women, as her grandmother narrated, that means her grandmother narrated a story of the many brave queens or common peoples. The women as her grandmother narrated were makers of home, family, society, and the nations. They were civilizing influence. Civilizing means educating, and they told a story about these women as like the makes of home, family, society and the nation. They were civilizing influence and also the educated influence. At the same time, they were also adventurers who was climbed their shores in free land, flogged and raised crops with their own hands and the draw cattle. Modern women have become a mountaineers, neutralists, astronauts, scientists, soldiers, and political leaders. This proves that there is nothing a woman cannot do, and also that women and men are created equals. That means in any field, women uh, show our uh, show our position as like here given. The modern women have become a mountaineers, neutralist, astronaut, scientist, soldier. That means any field, the women show our talent. That means in this prove that there is a women cannot do, and also women and men were created equal. That means the God created men and women are equally. Then next para. Then she asked her mother, you have thrown light on the equality of men and women, and also the emphasized that the world is still unequal world. Then what I would like to know is if there are moral, social, and legal provisions to enable women to express their physical and the mental potential, and they set themselves free from the super, suppressions. And amazed at the curiosity of her daughter Asha Gabis, and that means here then they ask her mother, you have throw light on means to give information or explanation on the equality of men and women, and also emphasized that the world is still unequal world. That means you give the explanation about this uh, equality of men and women, and also emphasis that the world is still an unequal world. Then what I would like to know if they are moral, social and legal means related law. That means what I would like to know if there are moral, social or legal provisions to enable women to express their physical, mental or potential means the quality that exists can be developed and to set themselves free from superstitions. Amazed at the curiosity of her daughter, Asha Gabi adds. Then there are many under the aegis of the United Nations. There are the declarations for new world of the quality. It has been followed dimensional. Under the aegis means with the protection or support of the particular organizations. That means the under the aegis United Nations, the declarations for the new world of equality. The following are the dimension. Following are the aspect or characteristic. First is the equal access to basic social service including health and education. That means equal access to basic on social service and including health and education. This is the first aspect of this United Nations under the aegis. Equal participation in the political and economical decisions making. That means in our society, the given the equal participation in the political and economical डिसिजन मेकिंग. एखाद्या पॉलिटिकल आणि इकॉनॉमिकल डिसिजनमध्ये काय दिलेले इक्वॅलिटी दिलेली आहे. मग पुढं वरती असेल इक्वल ॲक्सेस टू बेसिक सोशल सर्व्हिस अँड इन्क्लायडिंग हेल्थ अँड एज्युकेशन. शिक्षण किंवा एज्युकेशन किंवा हेल्थ असेल किंवा ते सोशल सर्व्हिसमध्ये सुद्धा काय दिलेले इक्वॅलिटी दिलेली आहे. इक्वल रिवॉर्ड्स फॉर द इक्वल वर्क. इक्वल रिवॉर्ड्स आणि इक्वल वर्कमध्ये सुद्धा काय दिलेलं आहे इक्वॅलिटीचा एक रूल्स दिलेला आहे. एलिमिनेशन ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन अँड व्हायलन्स अगेन्स्ट द वुमेन. एलिमिनेशन मीन्स गेटिंग ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन अँड व्हायलन्स अगेन्स्ट द वुमेन. काय दिलेले आहे व्हायलन्स अगेन्स्ट द वुमेन. दिस इज द अंडर एजेस ऑफ द युनायटेड नेशन. Then the mother concluded, my dear daughter, we can affirms along with the United Nations that men and women are equal. That means United States tell the men and women are equal. Leontis understand what her mother means and what the topic of the symposium means. Thus, the confident of success, the next day after thinking her mother, the girl of the 12 happily rushes out of the room in the bright morning sun. She blue sky mid the range of the eastern mountain. The small girl is always fascinated by the small trails which winds up the distant purple mountain. That means Lonti understanding what is the meaning of the mother means. What is the Lonti is very easily understanding the meaning of this topic, and his symposium means, and this topic symposium means what is the meaning, he easily understand about this meaning. Thus the confidence and success, she is very confidently and successfully. Next day, they thinking her mother, girl Telo happily rushes out the room in the bright morning sun. The blue sky made the range of the eastern mountain. The small girl is always fascinated by the small trail which winds up the distant purple mountain. And here is the topic is finished.